The black. Ratchet crippin' ass black. Ratchet thug ENT, nigga. Ratchet style, nigga. Hey. Niggas saying black, what the fuck we been? Man, I been getting money, niggas staring at the peak. But the niggas still on the house with red shit. You know how it go. Now these niggas talking down. You know how this shit go. Cause a nigga ain't up in the city where I came from. Niggas said a nigga ain't niggas throwing on my door. Nigga better get it straight. Fuck around for 48. Any nigga talking shit. Disrespecting on my team. I'm a young nigga about my motherfucking brain. If you niggas play around, I'ma pull up in the van all blue with 100 rounds spraying at you bitches. I ain't playing around with no nigga. I had you jumping fit. I'm a nigga from the motherfucking Timberlake shouting. You fuck around with me, let my niggas get you shouting. And shout out to the niggas that can still thuggin' shouting. Nigga know it what it is. I been gone for a minute, but I'm back. And niggas already know I got that crack. And yeah, I set it up and whip it up like that. I stamp my name on that shit, that ratchet black, that ratchet black, and I'm back. You know, I'm back for sure. And you know. Yeah, I be hearing niggas screaming out love, screaming out love. If it's all love, show your homeboy plug. Niggas screaming love, niggas screaming love. If it's all love, give your homeboy plug. If you niggas really get it, then fuck out with your niggas. And if you got them bricks, then fuck out with your homies. And if I ever get it, I'm sharing it with my homies. This the life that a real nigga home rich rolling never will I fucking change. Drop me in the cave, give me 100 years in my book and put it on the man. I ain't gonna give a damn nigga in myself, run it up. 2 fingers and 1 thumb, nigga, that's what I live for. Ain't no bitches playing around, ain't no killers over here. Nigga better get it clicking on the dealers over here. If you nigga play with up, bet my nigga knock you out. OGs ain't gotta move, homeboys will make the call. Now you playing around, bitch, better nigga get your touch. I'm a nigga from the north, you know that I'ma live it up. Fuck around with my homies, I'ma let them lose the bug. Cause the black bag, bitch, I'm finna put you in the tub. I've been drinking on the tusk, I've been blowing on the dust. Yeah, they like my homeboy up, my mind fucked up. And the niggas still playing, you niggas still faking. I'ma let you niggas know that I'm still Timberlake for sure. And they know. That I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back. And I'm winning, got my team, and I'm getting it. I'm all about my money, nigga. Look up at my denture, nigga. I swear I make you niggas set your team. Bitches look at me, and they see that ding-a-ling. Bitches wanna fuck, but you know how they play it. They all want their hair did, baby girl shit. And that ain't tricking out. Cause I got plenty sauce. I get you knocked out for an 8 ball of that raw. You think a nigga playing? You check my background, Timberlake, nigga, lay the smack down. And they know. Timberlake niggas in here for sure. And they see walk through the door. And they know, get down, bitch, nigga. Nigga already know what it is. Shouts out to my real Timberlake nigga. Niggas been there since day one. Niggas ain't going nowhere, you know what I'm saying, till we get up out this motherfucker. When we all get these deals and shit, you know what I'm saying, real nigga shit. Hey, this to all my niggas, man, out there living life like me, man. Nigga thugging these motherfucking corner, pulling pistols on any nigga. Man, nigga, do your motherfucking thing, but do your thing smart, cause these niggas out here shiesty, man. You gotta watch these niggas. These niggas who you call your motherfucking ace, your motherfucking nigga, my motherfucking love. Watch them, boy. For real. You better watch them. Cause when it come down to it, niggas point fingers in that trial, man. Believe that shit, nigga. And I done seen it firsthand, boy. For real. Shouts out to my homeboy, my homegirl banging up through 2 fingers and 1 thumb, nigga. Niggas already know what it is, man. West up or vest up, nigga. Old gang or don't bang, nigga. You know what it is, nigga. Shouts out to all my homies, nigga. All my homies, nigga. All my homegirl. Y'all already know it's NFL with me, cuz, you know what I'm saying? Into the skin, cuz, ain't shit changed. Yeah, nigga, out there house arrest shit. Yeah, nigga, back at it, you know what I'm saying? It's been hard for me to shake back. I'm still going through court. So you already know what it is, man. I'm still keep this shit rich rolling, man. Rest in peace to all my homeboys I lost over this past year and a half. You know what I'm saying? All y'all families, man, y'all gotta stick together. We all still praying, you know what I'm saying? We all still there. Forever on, forever, as long as I live, they gonna live through me. You feel me? I'ma keep this shit real. And this shit just 100, nigga. You feel me? Hey, shouts out to all my niggas, man. I ain't gonna say y'all names, man. But hey, shouts out to all my homeboys, nigga. Y'all already know what it is. I'm talking about my neighbors, nigga. Shouts out to them, man. If y'all niggas on Facebook, y'all see this shit, man. Link up, cuz. Stop dodging me, man. For real, cuz. Yeah, ain't like that or that. Just get over with it, cuz.